Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats and welcome. And y'all, I had my 2-year anniversary and I have been supposed to have announced the winner of my giveaway for that. And I have just been so busy I haven't had a chance to. So I have picked my winner and I will announce the winner here and I'll ask y'all to please congratulate the winner. I just want to say thank you so much, y'all. For getting me here 2 years. I have 1,600 subscribers and that is just amazing to me. I really just started for fun because I was getting some subscription boxes and I want to give away from Kim's Happy Place. I know y'all have heard that 1,000 times, but I didn't really think anything of it. I thought this just looks like fun. I'm going to have some fun like these ladies are having with their channels. And this has really been an experience of a lifetime. It really has. I have met some wonderful folks on here. Really, you all know how important you are to me. I am just, this is what I do. I work and I do my YouTube and I have my pets. So I just love being friends with y'all. I love talking to you each day. I know I've been very behind on my comments and I apologize for that, but I've been very busy outside of YouTube. But I still want to always, I don't, sometimes people have regrets in which they want to end their channel, and some people do end their channels or they take breaks, which is fine, but I haven't really wanted to take a break. Sometimes I think maybe I should stop because it is expensive, y'all, to buy all the boxes. I'm getting a couple of things in PR, which is wonderful, but most of what I do, I buy. So it's expensive, but I enjoy it. I enjoy unboxing, and I enjoy what I get in the boxes, and I enjoy talking to y'all about what I get in the boxes. And I've learned so much about the products, and I've learned so much about y'all, and I really want to meet y'all. I really do. I'd love to have a big one of those big vehicles called that you travel in and drive around and see you all. Wouldn't that be fun? But I can't do that, and but I'd love to. So maybe someday when I retire, I might be able to do something like that. Wouldn't that be fun? I'll come around and see y'all. So save an extra room for me, and I just love y'all so much. And I'm gonna stop going on and on about it. My winner for my 200 what? My winner for my 2-year anniversary. It's not my 200th anniversary, y'all. My 2-year anniversary is Emily D. And Emily, it's funny. Emily has been a subscriber for a while, and somehow the comment picker never picks her, but this time it did. And she started her own channel a couple of months ago now. And I'm just so proud of her. She's just a sweet lady, and she's doing Mask Mondays, and she does some Get Ready With Me. She does beautiful makeup. So if that's something that y'all are interested in, like I said, this has been just something that I just never thought I would do. And I've never wanted to be in the spotlight, never. And, but here I'm in my dining room, and I'm talking to my cell phone. So it's not like I'm really, out there. But I've met so many people. It's if you want to try it, even if you're a shy person, there's a few people on here that are shy, and I'm not shy. I used to be shy years ago, but I'm not a shy person out in public. But some people are very shy, but they do fantastic on their channel. You would never know they were shy. And some people are shy on their channel, and what's wrong with that? If you like to do this, if you like to take a chance, take your chance. If you are a subscriber, then you already have a channel. All you have to do is post a video, and then you have a channel. And just if you do that, tell your favorite channels so that we can come and watch you, and we can start telling people about you and see if you like it. Because you may not like it, but you might regret it if you never try it. If you never try it, and you've always wished that you had tried it. But if you try it and you don't like it, then, that happens to us. You try something, coloring. People love to color. I tried coloring. I didn't really care. I loved to color as a kid, so I thought I would love it. And I just didn't care for it. It didn't relax me like it's supposed to. I bought all the accoutrements. I bought the really pretty pencils and the sharpener and all these pretty books and stuff. No, I didn't care for it. So you just have to try it, is what I'm saying, if it's something you'd like to do. And you know that a lot of us creators will support you, will talk about you and tell people about you to go see you and all that good stuff. So anyway, just want to say that, and count your blessings, everybody. And thank you so much for being here. And I just love y'all. I really do. Bye-bye.